Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're going to install Wixie's drill press laser guide. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. Alright, pretty easy installation. Wixie made a good product here. I'll put a link in the description below for this laser guide. It can fit the small, medium, and large drill presses depending on how you adjust the bracket here, and the instructions tell you about that. It takes 2 AA batteries. I put rechargeables in here, but you probably don't need to. They'll probably last a really long time. Unless you leave it on or something. The lasers was pretty easy to install or to line up. For the most part, you put your drill bit down and you line up your lasers to that drill bit. I will say to use a smallest drill bit as possible so you can get more accuracy when you line up the crosshairs. There is 2 adjustments. The set screw will move the lasers this way, and the knobs will move the lasers this way, and that's how you get to the mark that you need to. And then that's pretty much it. It's held on with the hose clamp, and that's pretty much it. So another upgrade to my drill press in the bag, and that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time.